President Emmerson Mnangagwa is now set to fire ministers, VPs. Sarabila mashukobranyi wachinzi Mnangagwa ready to fire ministers and vice presidents. Lodi bo subscribe like on the bell icon. Panko ini yatona kuti now ye cap 3. Pinoko kunzi ine punupasi cha determine the future of Zimbabwe. Panko ini ishgananda zone kwa kunzi they are to destroy each and every obstacle inoya each exposer ma plans avo Vision 2030. Tibina more the news of Senasambranyi GT. After recently removing the Central Intelligence Organization CIO Director, General Fortune Mangwanya, and the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission Chairperson, Chesima Jome, who is related to First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa for not supporting his 2030 agenda to extend his rule by 2 years, and in the process, introduced a raft of political, electoral, and governance changes. President Emmerson Mnangagwa is ready to fire ministers and vice presidents who contradict official policy and positions in public on the issue. The news hoax has been told by a close ally of the president. Normal developments are repopangwa ino kurukono kwa kunzi mtukamiri wenyika according with the news hoax are ready to fire anyone ari kuopposa their plans, ari kuopposa their bill. Pangwa ina vachiti they are not tolerating nonsense. Anyone asiri kusupporta the cap 3 ari kuyapangwa ine whether uri vice president, you are a cabinet minister, or whosoever you are going to be fired. Ndo patashika pamberi Zimbabwe. Pinai comment section medu kuti zamafungiro enyi moti kudi pamusoro these developments. Musaka wana subscribe or like up on channel, turn on the bell icon.